HYDROX Prefilled Humidifier is a single-patient used oxygen humidification unit comprised of a bottle filled with USP-grade sterile water and come with an adapter. It is a bubble humidifier, which is intended to humidify the breathable gas for the patients to prevent drying of the mucous membrane in the airway, which lead to lung tissue damage. It is mostly used in oxygen therapies such as oxygen concentrators, gas cylinders, or wall gas outlets via mask or cannula in hospital, home care, or extended care facilities. We are proud to be CE certified, accredited with ISO 13485 and ISO 901 certified, and be the world's first halal certified prefilled humidifier. We have in-house water system accordance with GMP guideline, ISPE engineering guide, and FDA standard. The final water quality adhering to the USP standard ensures the water meets strict criteria for purity and safety. The transparent bottle, adapter and label provide optimal visualization, enables easy observation of water quality and water level monitoring. With the same bottle, it's able to pair with humidifier adapter or nebulizer adapters, catering to different users' practices, preferences, and needs. Incorporating our patented design, the bottle features a built-in cover that allows the hose barb to be closed when the humidifier is not in use. If you prefer a cover that attaches to the bottle, you can request the optional connector cover add-on. The butterfly plug is designed to be easily removable, without any sharp edges to provide convenience and ensure safety during use. Our specially designed outlet effectively prevents any water from flowing into the oxygen tubing, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free humidification process. We have optimal control of bottle design and effective control of the making of the bottle, ensuring efficient bubbling and humidification without loud disturbing noise. Each humidifier adapter is packed individually in adapter pouch and shrink wrapped together with its corresponding bottle, making it easy to handle, store, and transport. To cater for different requirements, we offer flexible volume and various size of bottle design, enables you to find the ideal humidification unit. Before use, check the expired date and seal condition. Do not use the product if it has exceeded the expired date or the seal is damaged. First, twist off the plug at the adapter connector. After that, screw the adapter into the adapter connector. Connect the HYDROX Prefilled Humidifier to flowmeter or oxygen regulator mounted on wall. Next, twist off the plug at the hose barb. Then, connect the oxygen supply tube or oxygen cannula to the hose barb. Make sure the connection is tight, firm, and tidy. The bubble should be generated when the HYDROX Prefilled Humidifier is correctly installed. Push out the protruding button cover to close the hose barb when not in use.